Today I'm going to do one of my favorite activities, and that is a little bit of tree planting. Hey! You see these spruce trees, and they're all very densely packed. These are all individual trees, ready to go. It's nature's tree nursery. 9 out of 10 of those trees will die. Not to mention that this is a drainage ditch. I'm going to pull out a few. I'm going to plant them back home. Remember, I don't do this. Well, these trees are just gonna die. And I got a nice big bag of trees, mostly spruce and a couple of pine in there. And in the old days, that's all people used to do is go out in the woods, collect trees. Nature will produce 1,000 trees or maybe even 10,000 trees for every one that lives. It's nature's greenhouse. So we're just taking the offspring and multiplying it. 10x it's called. And that is a good endeavor. Oh, look at this. That girl's going fast. Whoa! So there was hardly any soil even in there. There's a lot of rocks mixed in with the roots, so carrying home a big bag full of rocks, it's the sacrifice for the greater good. So there's a big open area here I'm going to plant up. Some of these trees fell down, and unless we plant this area, invasive species are just going to come back really quick. The Manitoba Maple, which are all around here. Buckthorn, they're going to move in fast. So when you get an open space like this and the sun's breaking through, plant it up. Beauty white pine. So I ended up planting about 40 trees, more than I thought in there. 5 white pine and 35 spruce. Another large spruce I planted last year, I think. And then here's some cedars that I planted. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one. There's a nice bur oak I planted a few years ago. And a nice maple tree from last year. Looks like the buds are good. And this is kind of cool. Many years ago, it takes a long time to grow, but many years ago I planted these black cherry trees. And 6 feet tall now. So this is the hillside I planted last year. There's a video out, you can watch it. It's called Urban Tree Planting. And let's just see how they're doing. There's one looking good, another one looking good. There's another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. I think this whole slope's gonna be beautiful. natural native cedar trees. At some point, the beaver doesn't eat them all. And that's how easy it is to naturalize your area, to get free trees and plant them, and try and bring back your local land from invasive species to natural native species. That is the day's tree planting lesson. Class is over. So get out there, get it done.